Hi, I'm Zoe Georgina from National University, one of Dean's campus crushies, and this is the Isang Q&A. Kasi doon mo nilalagay lahat, especially yung mga makeup ko. So, I need to have a really nice bag for school. It's Chongqing. I love the Chongqing chicken and their beef mani. My study hack is to just clear your mind before exams and just hope for the best and pray to God. First, my favorite subject is about journalism since I'm taking communication arts. And my least favorite subject is math. Ever since elementary, hindi po kami nagkakasundo ng math. Favorite spot namin ng mga friends ko is the Pancake House kasi very relaxing yung ambience. Favorite college memory so far is yung nag-shoot po kami ng El Filibusterismo. And ang first time ko pong humiga sa sakahan for the grades, but thankfully it was a success and perfect po kami for the film. Nagpupunta lang po ako sa library to sleep or read books. My go-to song is Pusong Ligaw by Jonah. Yung Bakit Pa by Jason Zaragoza. I really love yung mga ganong OPM songs. I'm an all-nighter person. The open day. Namin welcome every freshman students and lahat po kaming seniors or like mas older sa kanila. It's really fun to see them kasi nakikita ko po yung sarili ko sa kanila when I started in the campus. Again, this is Zoe Georgina. Meet the rest of the campus crushies on Dean Socials and don't forget to vote on ZeeMedia.com.